know that the Goa Assembly sessions are in progress, and as youth of Goa, we are very disappointed with the Chief Minister and the Revenue Minister for the response that they have given to the postponed LAQ raised by Mr. Rohan Kaunte regarding the 3 linear projects. For the past 1 year, since June 2020 till now, the youth of Goa, the Save Molang campaigners, have been writing, have been sending emails, have been sending memorandums, have been filing petitions, and have been even doing road protests to convey our concerns to the government and the concerned authorities and ministries. But it was highly ignored. We also had the opportunity to meet CEC and write to them about our concerns. Now, even after the CEC recommendation, we saw that the government continued blindly with the mass land acquisition. And because of that, we wrote to our MPs, Mr. Francisco Sardina, who is the South Goa MP, dated 3rd July 2021, and the North Goa MP, Mr. Shripad Naik, who is also the Minister of State for Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, dated 20th July 2021. We wrote to them so that they could raise our concerns on the floor of the Parliament House. Now, when the assembly sessions were declared for Goa, we as Save Molang campaigners wrote to our respected MLAs. We as CYFC wrote to our Daboli constituency MLA Mr. Morvin Gudino to raise our concerns on the floor of the House. In this memorandum, we have urged him to accept the CEC recommendation. We have asked him to ask questions whether the voters are going to benefit from these 3 projects, what will be the ecological consequences, and illegal land acquisition, is it putting our lives in danger? And then we got to hear a very disappointing response from our CM and the Revenue Minister to the LAQ on 3 linear projects. And our CM very casually made a statement that he is going to file a say on the CC recommendations now. CC recommendations came in on 23rd April 2021. Where were you all this time? As a youth of Goa, I want to ask you, Mr. CM, what is going to be your say? Is it going to be what we, the youth and the Goans, had to say or were saying, or is it anything different? It better be what we were saying. Elections are coming closer.
आमच्या ह्या तरणाट्यान जें आतांच कितें म्हणलां तें हांव सारकें मान्य करतां. I very much endorse what she has said. We are disappointed with the response that our CM and the Revenue Minister has given to the LAQ on 3 linear projects. आनी कितें म्हणटात तुमी? These are just the recommendations of the CEC and the court has not taken any decision. सारकी खबर, court has not taken any decision. पूण दर एक बारीक बारीक वस्तूक लागून ज्यो तुमी चुकीच्यो करतात, आडयेच्यो करतात, त्या वस्तूक लागून यू आर मेकिंग अस रन टू द हाय कोर्ट, टू द सुप्रीम कोर्ट and wait for the Supreme Court and the High Court to decide. Till then you keep doing what wrong you are doing. In that case, let the Supreme Court and the High Court and the center governors, why do we need a government in the state? Please, गोंयकार जें कितें तुमचे लागीं मागतात तें मानून घेयात and give us what we need and what we deserve, not what others want, please.